Welcome to your French class. In this class, we'll do few sentences of adjective possessive. Okay. First, let's have a look at the list of the adjective possessive cases. Let's start with the first case, je. When we say my, then we have here three different words to use. For all the masculine singular cases, we use mon. For feminine cases, we use ma. For plural cases, we use me. And if we have a singular word starting with a vowel, then we use the first category. So it means the first category will be used for all the masculine singulars, and the words that are starting with a vowel and are singular will be put in this category only. Okay. So for my, you will say mon, ma, me. For your, you will say ton, ta, te. It is an informal way. Okay. For his or her, you will say son, sa, se. For our, notre, no. For your, it's a formal case now, votre, vo. And for their, you will say leur. Okay. Now let's come back to the sentences. Complétez ces phrases avec des adjectifs possessifs. Now the first statement is il fêtera anniversaire demain. Now anniversaire is starting with a vowel and is singular, and here we have got il category. So we'll use son, sa, se. This time it is starting with a vowel, so we'll go with the first case. Son. Il fêtera son anniversaire demain. He will celebrate his birthday tomorrow. Now let's come to the second one. Que ferez-vous avec dash vieille voiture de sport? Now here the subject is vous, okay, and the thing that belongs to him is feminine singular, vieille voiture. So we'll go with the cases of vous. Que ferez-vous avec votre vieille voiture de sport? What are you doing with your old sports car? Now the next statement is donne-lui dash adresse. Now adresse is starting with a vowel and it is singular this time. So we'll go with the first category. Either you can write mon or ton or son. So the meaning is give him my address, or you can make it like give him your address. Okay. Now let's come to the next one. Elle porte dash nouvelle robe aujourd'hui. Now, nouvelle robe is feminine singular, and this time the thing belongs to elle. It is feminine singular, so we have taken ça. Now, the next one is mon oncle m'invite voir dash appartement. Appartement is starting with the vowel again, and this time we are talking about the subject mon oncle, to whom the apartment belongs to. Mon oncle is il singular, so we'll go with son, sa, se. And this vowel case belongs to the first category, so we'll use son. Mon oncle m'invite voir son appartement. That means my uncle is inviting me to see his apartment. Now the next statement is elle cache dash poupée. Poupée is plural here, so we'll go with the cases of il, elle plural. Elle cache leur poupée. That means they are hiding their dolls. Now the next one is il célèbre l'anniversaire de dash mariage tous les ans. Mariage is singular and is masculine. Now we'll go to the category of il, elle plural. So we'll use the masculine leur case, the first case. Ils célèbrent l'anniversaire de leur mariage tous les ans. They celebrate their marriage anniversary every year. Now the next statement is cet élève ne trouve pas dash cahier. Now, cahier word is masculine plural. So, we'll take masculine plural case of il, elle singular, because cet élève is il. Cet élève ne trouve pas ses cahiers. This student is not finding his notebooks. Mon frère dit que dash cadeaux sont magnifiques. Now, cadeau is plural here. It is masculine plural and it belongs to mon frère, means il singular. Mon frère dit que ses cadeaux sont magnifiques. My brother says that his gifts are magnificent. Je prends dash déjeuner à 7 heures. Now, déjeuner is masculine singular and this time we are talking about je. So, we'll take the first case, mon. Je prends mon déjeuner à 7 heures. I take my lunch at 7. Le PDG prend dash dosier. Now, we are talking about le PDG. It means the CEO, the Chief Executive Officer. And dosier is masculine singular, so we'll take son. Le PDG prend son dosier. That means the CEO is taking his folder. Now the next sentence is nous mangeons dash repas dans la salle à manger. Now repas is written as it is in masculine singular cases and plural cases. This time nous is used, so we'll take it a plural case and we'll write nos. Nous mangeons nos repas dans la salle à manger. That means we are eating our meals in the dining room. Vous rangez dash affaires. We'll take vous cases for this, and this time it is plural, so we'll take vos. Vous rangez vos affaires. That means you are arranging your things. Now, affaire word is also starting with a vowel, but we will not consider this. This time it is a plural case. Only vowel singular cases are considered in the first category. Now, let's come to the last one. Mes cousins regardent dash photo d'enfants. Now, photo is plural here and it belongs to mes cousins, that is il plural case. So, we will take leur. Mes cousins regardent leur photo d'enfants means my cousins are watching their childhood photos. My cousins are watching their childhood photos. Now, let's come to the next question. Complétez ces phrases avec des adjectifs possessifs. Now the first statement is j'irai chez dash médecin aujourd'hui. Now we are talking about médecin and it is masculine singular. So we'll take mon. J'irai chez mon médecin aujourd'hui. That means I will go to my doctor today. Now the next statement is nous regardons dash télévision dans notre salon. Télévision is feminine singular and this time it belongs to nous. So we'll use notre. Nous regardons notre télévision dans notre salon. That means we are watching our television in living room. Now the next statement is prête-lui dash veston. Now veston is masculine singular here. So we'll use masculine case and this time command is given to the second person informal means to the tu case. So we'll use ton. Prête-lui ton veston. That means lend him your jacket. Now the next sentence is Perrette porte dash pot au lait sur sa tête. Now pot au lait is masculine singular and this time it belongs to Perrette. Perrette porte son pot au lait sur sa tête. That means Perrette is carrying her milk jug on her head. Now the next statement is Midas priait Dieu. Il était content de dash dévotion. Dévotion is feminine singular case here and it belongs to Midas, that is il singular. Midas prayed to God. He was happy to his devotion. Now the next statement is Elle cherche dash bicyclette. Now bicyclette is feminine singular here and it belongs to elle. So we'll use sa. Elle cherche sa bicyclette. She is looking for her bicycle. Now the next sentence is Marc monte sur dash moto. Moto is feminine and it belongs to Marc. It means it belongs to il category. So we'll use sa. Marc monte sur sa moto. Marc is getting on his motorbike. Now the next statement is cet étudiant écrit dans dash cahier. Now cahier is masculine singular and it belongs to cet étudiant, that is also masculine singular. So we'll take il cases and cahier is masculine singular, so we are going to write here son. Cet étudiant écrit dans son cahier. This student is writing in his notebook. Now, the next statement is Paul a dépensé dash argent de poche. Now, argent de poche is starting with a vowel. So, we'll take the vowel case and this time it belongs to Paul, il singular. So, we'll use son. Paul a dépensé son argent de poche. That means Paul spent his pocket money. Gardes-tu dash trousse sur ta table. Trousse is feminine singular and this time it belongs to tu. So we'll use ta. Gardes-tu ta trousse sur ta table. Do you keep your pencil case on the table? Now the next statement is écrivez-vous dash lettres tous les matins. Lettre is plural here, feminine plural, so we'll take vos. Écrivez-vous vos lettres tous les matins. That means do you write your letters every morning? Now the next statement is le fermier court derrière dash poule. Now poule is feminine singular here and it belongs to le fermier, that means il singular category. So we'll use here sa. Le fermier court derrière sa poule. That means the farmer is running behind his hen. Now the next statement is il demande des stylos neufs à dash père. Père is masculine singular here and this time it belongs to il plural category. So we'll use leur. Il demande des stylos neufs à leur père. means they are asking their father for new pens. Mes sœurs font dash devoir à 18h. Now devoir is plural case here and this time it belongs to mes sœurs, means L plural case. So we'll take leur. Mes sœurs font leur devoir à 18h means my sister do their homework at 6 p.m. So this is the way how we place adjective possessive in sentences, and that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.